Step-by-step guide how to recondition a battery from home. Save money and bring old batteries back to life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to recondition a battery, step by step. Although you don't need to wait until a battery is depleted to recondition it. Put safety first. The process of battery reconditioning does not require an engineering degree, although it does take patience and some basic supplies like gloves and eye protection and a strong focus on safety. While battery reconditioning may not be a complex process, it is still a science. Things could get messy. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated, as battery chemicals can be quite hazardous. Now, let's create a simple cleaning solution. To make a thin paste, use a 2:1 ratio of baking soda to water to create a runny paste. Mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water. This mixture will serve as a battery cleaner as well as an acid spill cover-up. This DIY paste is your all-in-one battery cleaner and acid neutralizer. Next, you should check the battery voltage. Do this by grabbing your voltmeter, and just like jump-starting a car, red goes to the positive terminal, and black goes to the negative terminal. Check the reading and verify the voltage. Take note of the current voltage. Now it's time to get into the battery itself. Now we are going to empty and clean the battery cells. Until now, you did not need to remove the vehicle's battery. At this point, however, you should. Do this by removing the battery nuts from the battery terminal and pulling the battery completely out of the vehicle if you haven't already. Empty the battery cells and clean the battery cells by using a funnel to carefully pour the baking soda paste into each battery cell. Then securely replace the cell caps and battery cover. Now shake the battery for at least a minute. The vibration helps break down residue and corrosion inside. Now prepare a new battery solution to replace the electrolyte in your battery life with this next solution. Start by mixing 4 cups of water with 4 ounces of Epsom salt. Stir until the water is clear. Now refill each cell with this new electrolyte mixture. Lastly, you are going to recharge your battery, and just like a delicious brisket, perform this step low and slow. Similar to smoking a brisket, patience is crucial. Find a safe and secure area to set up your charging station and let the battery charge fully over several hours. And that's it, you just learned how to recondition a battery at home. Doing this at home can help you save money, reduce waste, and extend the life of your batteries. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.